Alright, so as you guys know, I just got the MBRP Race Series Catback installed on my 2012 Mustang GT, and it's going to be really hard to do a video while I'm driving since it's a 6-speed. But I'm going to do my best. Don't do this. I guess you can if you want. This is just a video so you guys can hear what it sounds like. I gotta hold this one. HIDs behind me, so that can't be a cop. Whoa. Hey, what are you doing, this motherfucker? Whoops, is when you get an exhaust installed on your car, especially in a V8, you get a lot of people messing with you, trying to race you or getting up beside you and just overall messing with you. I get that a lot. I get that a lot more than I did when I first got this car. That's for sure. It's insane. I'm in 5th gear right now. Shifting to 4th. I'm at downshifting to 3rd now. Overall, this exhaust, the MBRP Catback series, the MBRP Race Series Catback, I'm sorry, it does have kind of a tame sound to it whenever you're at pretty high RPM. I don't know what it sounds like outside the car other than watching other videos on YouTube or recording my car and then just watching it later. But I noticed this, of course, the sweet spot for the sound is usually in between about 2,000 to 3,000 RPMs is when you can hear that really, really deep note. And that's one thing I like about this exhaust. It's not overwhelming loud. It's not ridiculously loud, but it is still loud. And I imagine it's probably pretty loud outside the car. But I kind of like that, and I like that deeper tone, which is also why I got the Race Series and not the Street Series, because I did not like the Street Series very much. The Race Series sounded a lot meaner. Recording and driving a stick is pretty easy when it's a straight line. Inside the car, it's harder to make out the sound, so I am going to make another separate video, a flyby or something later on in the week, so you guys can see that. But if you're watching this video, I obviously recommend watching it with Bluetooth speakers or headphones. This thing sounds mean. So unfortunately, there are no parking garages in the area. The nearest parking garage I can think of is about 15 miles away, so can't do that. Look, somebody just bought themselves a Camaro. I feel bad for them. But I'm gonna go under a overpass so you guys can hear that with the windows down. I think you guys might enjoy that, since I think driving these cars under overpasses are pretty awesome. Or I might just sell it and get a ricer. It's not even an SS either. Stop doing that. Okay. You must hear my car. He just gunned it. makes really nice exhaust, I'll say that. Alright, so thanks for watching, guys. Alright, so I actually left something out. The vehicle drone on the MBRP race series Catback, the vehicle drone is actually pretty obnoxious. It's pretty loud, but there's a difference because some people like it, some people don't. It's kind of like personal preference kind of thing. I personally like it. I really do. It has that really obnoxious low tone sound whenever you're sitting at a certain RPM like this at 2,000. It's usually around 2,000s when you really start hearing vehicle drone really bad. But like I said, I kind of like it. Maybe that's just me. I can hear it really good. But it's usually at highway speeds, or if you're cruising down a regular street, sitting at a lower RPM, you can really hear it pretty good. But like I said, I do like it. So.